In this video, I'll show you how you can turn off parental controls in Fortnite. The first step is you want to head over to epicgames.com. You can just Google this or type in this one. Then you want to log into your account. After that, go to your account and go to account. Once you're in here, what you want to do is you want to find parental controls. In here, type in your PIN, or otherwise you can create one. And once you've typed that in, what you want to do is from general, you want to find this one and you want to make sure this one is turned off. You want to make sure this one is unrated. Head over to social permissions. Make sure this one is turned off. Make sure this is on everybody. Make sure this is on everybody. Head over to time limits and make sure there is no time limit in here. And then what you want to do is you want to head over to the Fortnite settings. Make sure this is on 12. And you want to make sure that this one is allowed, and you want to make sure that this one is turned off. After you've done this, there will be no parental controls, and you can play however you want. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.